Hi friends, this is Marin with Into Mobile. I'm here with John from Microsoft and we're going to look at Windows Phone 7.
Oh, cool. How's it going?
Going well. How about yourself?
I'm fine, thank you. So, sorry, I'm tethered here because we're showing it a lot. So,
It's all right.
so this is our lock screen. What we've tried to do with the phone is make very glanceable information. So one of the important use cases is to take your phone out of your pocket, take a look at the lock screen, see what information is available, the date, the time, do I have emails, my next appointment, and put it back in my pocket, right? Or I can go ahead and unlock the screen. I get to my start experience, and these they've changed it to pink here. Let me go ahead and that might not show up so great on the video. Let me go ahead and
Looks all right. And this is a pre-production hardware, right?
that's correct.
And the software is done or about done?
One more.
It is done. It is RTM.
Right.
Yep, absolutely. Oh, that's not much better. So these are live tiles. So these get updated with my people experience, with messages I get, with phones. If a developer can also do push notifications to these tiles, update the information on them. So there's an update available. It's your turn in a game, that sort of thing. We've got this concept of hubs, which is really interesting. So this is my people hub. It's not my phone, but it's this guy's phone right here. So these are his people. They've come from Facebook. They've come from live spaces. They've come from his contacts on the phone. I can go ahead and pivot through, see what's new with my contacts. I can look for each one of them here and update there. Oh, that's not a Facebook. That's not a Facebook friend. But if it was a Facebook friend, I could update the right on the wall, that sort of thing. Update my status. Each form factor has 3 buttons, so that's standard in the form factor: a back button, a start button, and a search button. So you'll see, let me show you some of the other hubs we have. Here's the Xbox Live hub. My buddy here doesn't play games, but I do. But if he put his Live ID in and had Xbox Live, he would get his avatar here. He would get his achievements. He can play turn-by-turn games. You can earn achievements on the phone. So it's really tight integration, really awesome phone for gamers. So that's why I'm really excited about it.
There are going to be a ton of mobile games at launch, right?
There's going to be some great games. We've got a studio, so you're going to see some companion titles from big names: Halo, Crackdown. Lots of great games at launch. Yeah, absolutely. The search button's pretty cool. Let me drop into there. So that's going to integrate with Bing. I can go ahead and do some voice integration, for example. Starbucks. Even though they're giving away coffee here. So it's gonna realize that I'm asking about Starbucks, and it's gonna show me local results. So it's gonna figure out, obviously, I don't want the Wikipedia entry for Starbucks when I'm standing here on the street corner in this conference center. So it's going to give me local results that I can scroll through. I can click on here. I can get turn-by-turn directions with Bing Maps. So really great integration with Bing Maps. I can also say an address on here and get turn-by-turn directions. That way I don't have to pull over and kind of type in an address I'm going to. We've got a really cool video hub as well, music and video. Again, my buddy doesn't have many songs or many videos, but this is Zune integrated. So if you've got Zune Pass, you can sync up with your phone and your Zune software. So this is a really full music experience. And the player, if you had some songs I could show you, is really cool. It's very, very integrated. When you touch the volume, it brings up the play controls over just about wherever you are, so you can play, pause, adjust the volume that way. That sort of thing. It's pretty sweet. Okay.
Great. Can we see the browser and then some of the standalone apps as well?
Absolutely. So we'll go to Internet Explorer here. Let me go. Let's see. I don't know what that is. Lots of people are playing with it.
Oh, that's my site.
Oh, that is? Oh, okay. Then I shouldn't have taken it off. That looks like an awesome site.
Oh, well, thank you.
So you can see here, the typography is very clear. Even when I'm zooming in, going back, zooming in or zooming out, the team's done a really good job of keeping the resolution really good.
Great.
And what else did you want to see?
Just some of the standalone apps, some of the non-tile stuff.
Let's see what he's got. So this is going to be a list of apps. I don't know what he's got.
So app
installed.
developers can create their own standalone, but they can also create hubs and that integrate with the tiles, or
They they can create integration points. So there are certain hubs that you can integrate with: Games Hub, Music and Video Hub. Out of the box, the developer tools have the capability to create these type of controls. So, for example, this is a pivot control. So we give you the pivot control, we give you the panorama control, so third-party developers can create these type of hub experiences. It's very easy to draw from web services, so go to the back end and pull something out of the cloud or pull something out of your service and put it in a page on a panorama or a pivot is very simple to do. So that capability is all built into the developer tools, which are free. Without cost. It's at developer.windowsphone.com, so you can really easy to get started.
Great.
This is essentially when you're writing apps for this, you're essentially writing a Silverlight out of the browser application. So if you're a Silverlight developer already, you're already a phone developer. And if you learn Silverlight for the phone, you're going to have out of the browser capability as well as in the browser capability for development.
and availability.
Availability of the phone, we're going to do general availability in the next month or so, 6 weeks. You should be seeing it next couple of months.
Great.
Around
Thanks for your time.
Yeah, you bet.